heat warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. What? Dangerously hot conditions with heat index values up to 109. Where? The urban corridor from Wilmington to Philadelphia to Trenton. When? Until 8 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Extreme heat and humidity will significantly increase the potential for heat-related illnesses, particularly for those working or participating in outdoor activities. Additional details. Dangerously hot and humid conditions are expected to return on Wednesday and Thursday. A heat advisory for those days may be needed as we get closer. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sunshine, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or